it's Melissa. If you're new here, this is Homeschooling with Melissa. I have 3 kiddos on this channel. You're gonna find homeschool reviews, tips, tricks, and really kind of all things homeschooling. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Gakin workbooks. This one is their Brain Booster book for ages 3 and up. So first, let me give you a little overview of the workbook. The Brain Booster is designed for preschoolers age 3 and up and focuses on critical thinking, problem solving, cognitive development, and is packed with lots of fun mazes, stickers. So here in the front, you see all the stickers that are for the book. It has matching, counting, problem solving, puzzles, and it's really aimed at boosting up those early learning skills. The workbook is bright, colorful, and visually engaging, which really keeps my little one very interested and wanting to do her workbooks each morning. Our youngest is the 3rd child of ours that is using the Timberdoodle Preschool Kit. So this is our 3rd time using this Brain Booster 3+ Gakin workbook. They have a whole set of workbooks. I did the alphabet workbook a little while ago. We've done all of them, skill boosters, brain boosters, we've done them all. And what I have noticed through all 3 of my kids using these books is how they are drawn almost immediately to how vibrant the pictures are, and honestly just how engaging each activity is. No day is exactly the same. You're coming in here and some days you are cutting and pasting, some days you're tracing, some days you're counting, some days you're adding stickers to a page. There is so much variety in these books that they are never bored, and it's always something different, which really keeps them interested and entertained to complete their workbooks each day. Typically, we go ahead and pull this workbook out. These ones she can usually do on her own. So unlike some of the other workbooks where I sit down and do them with her, in our homeschool, I find it way easier just to give her one of the pages and then cut out the stickers for her. I don't give her free range to the stickers because that just causes a mess. I give her exactly what she needs to do, tell her what to do, and then I walk away and help her brother or sister with whatever they need help with school. So these are something I found that she can kind of do on her own. Not totally though. I still tell her like what to do and still be in the room. I do find skill building wise that these books really focus on problem solving, attention to detail, matching, sorting, and a lot of your pre-reader skills. And I know it's called a workbook, but since they do such a great job of making these very engaging, they don't really seem workbook-like to my children, and all 3 of them have really enjoyed them. And a lot of the times we end up doing way more pages than like are scheduled to be done for a week. So these books will usually get used up and done before the end of the school year, no matter how much I try to ration them out for the school year. If you were looking for something easy, low prep, good for a preschooler, I would highly recommend these Gakin workbooks. I know the name workbook sounds a little scary, and especially when, like for myself, when I'm coming from where preschool is usually play-led, workbooks can be hard, and I was like, do I want to do that? These ones are very, very nice to add into our homeschool. They are no prep. I don't really have to do anything. I can just provide her what she needs, and we move on. If you found any of this helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you're into more homeschooling reviews, tips, tricks, all the things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like I said, there's a link to both of these, the books and to Timberdoodle's Preschool Kit, in the description box below, and I will talk to you later.